School gets way better when your teacher is hot. If only his classes could last forever. It was an ordinary school day. Megan and Melissa were gossiping, but suddenly, he appeared. It was like fate pushed them together in the hall. Sorry, let me help. Megan's heart is about to jump out of her chest. Who is this handsome guy? Now she's distracted from learning. Why have I never seen him before? He's probably new. Oh, you two are made for each other. You guys will make a great couple. Oops, quiet, it's him. Melissa, do me a favor. Move over so he can sit with me. What? Looks like this guy is not a student. Our new teacher? Plot twist! Having a crush on your teacher? No way! But Megan won't give up that easily. Holding hands with your boyfriend is so nice. Megan has been waiting for this moment her whole life. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and she's holding his hand. Aw, this must be the happiest couple on earth. A romantic kiss is the only thing missing. His hand is about to touch Megan's cheek. But wait, what's going on? Megan, hey, wake up! This is the worst nightmare ever! Are you sleeping in class? Well, well, well. You won't get credit until you memorize a new paragraph. After the bell, everyone can leave, but Megan will have to stay. How did I fall asleep during his class? Did I snore? And now I have to stay late. Don't worry, everything will be great. Just trust me. Wow, nice dress. Of course. Also, a stylish hairdo and cool makeup. How else would you go to a test with your crush? Megan, imagine. The lights are dimmed. Mr. Tyler is preparing for class. And that's when you come in. So classy, so luxurious. He won't be able to resist. I can already see you together. This is a win-win plan. You'll see, everything will go off without a hitch. Okay, go! Good luck, Megan! Unfortunately, reality ruins all her plans right away. Mr. Tyler, why are you wearing this boring sweater? Where's the jacket from my dreams? Looks like Megan's charms don't work on him. Okay, how about an elegant walk across the classroom? Oops! Megan, are you okay? But even falling won't make her give up. Well, what is it now? A boring lecture instead of a passionate kiss? This is not going to work. Psst, Megan, do something. Smile, play with your hair, flirt a little. But it looks like this relationship isn't meant to be. Oops, I didn't mean to. The support group is trying to help, but Megan can't hear anything. Whoops! Megan, keep it together. It hurts. Here, sit down. Another fail. Young lady, are you trying to kill me? Wow, this seduction is failing miserably. Poor girl. Megan is so embarrassed that she wants to just disappear. Could we pretend this day never happened? It's Mr. Tyler's class again. Megan loves listening to him. How can anyone be so beautiful? Oh, he's so attractive when he talks about his subject. I need to thank him somehow. An apple with a sign of my love is the right thing to do. And here's the bell. Everyone can go. Class is over. It's time to eat. I don't remember bringing an apple with me. He's about to understand. Ew, it's so sour. Mr. Tyler didn't even notice the love message. Yet another plan failed miserably. Megan's heart goes in the trash with the apple core. A new class means a new attempt to seduce the handsome teacher. Melissa and Megan are talking about another plan to get Mr. Tyler's attention. But he sees this as disrespectful. Are you even listening? Megan, go to the board now! This is an excellent chance to show yourself and your feelings through a special formula of love. Oh man, how do you write this function? Oh, I remember! Now I'll draw a graph by the formula. A heart. He'll definitely appreciate it. He looks excited. He's starting to smile. And he gives her an F. Ugh, typical man. He doesn't understand hints. Poor Megan. How can she get his attention? Nothing she's doing is working. When you're in love, there is absolutely no time left to study. Today is the final test. Megan didn't have time to learn anything, but she prepared a cheat sheet. Here's the teacher. Mr. Tyler is giving us our assignments. Take everything off your desk. Your time starts now. Cheating is bad, but there's nothing she can do. Just don't rustle with the papers or you'll get caught. Hey Megan, can you tell me the answer to the second task? Oh no, Mr. Tyler is getting suspicious. Silence! Oh Megan, he's coming for you. He looks her in the eyes, takes her hand. Oh wow, this is crazy. And he carefully pulls the cheat sheet out from under her shirt. Uh-oh, this can't be good. Well, of course, one more F for you. Her collection of bad grades just got bigger. She won't be able to fix her GPA for a long time. Teachers are human too. They go to the gym. Wow, look! It's Mr. Tyler. Meeting in a real-life setting is a great chance for Megan. Now you will see the best parts of me. 1, 2, 3. Move and shake. Well, is he looking? No, he came here to exercise. I have an idea. Squats. Let's go. Sorry, Mr. Tyler is having an important bike race. Megan, stop trying. He's not even looking. Maybe the barbell will help? Bench pressing? Melissa, are you sure? Hey, he's leaving. Bad luck. So how do I get out from under this thing now? Somebody help me! What should you do if he's not picking up on your hints? It's simple. You need to find out where he lives. And when he leaves, break into his home. Not legal or smart, but Megan is clearly going crazy from her love. Wow, is this his room? Oh look, a picture of him! He's so handsome! Oh, I'm about to lose my mind! I'm so happy! Melissa makes a heart out of candles. Imagine, he comes back and there's a surprise waiting for him. So romantic! Hey, what are you doing? You can't take his photo! Give it back! Oops! We didn't plan for this! Oh my god! There's a fire! Let's get out of here! Who would have known that passionate love can lead to a real fire? Phew! Here comes Mr. Tyler! Hide! What? A fire? Where's my fire extinguisher? Oh, I hope he doesn't get the hint, as usual. But that would end up in something worse than a bad grade. Mr. Tyler is preparing for a scientific presentation. The principal wants to see me? That's unexpected. Mr. Tyler is talking to the principal. He has no idea what awaits him. When all your hints have failed, you have to make things clear. Just write it down. Where's his office? Megan, lie down next to the poster. The conversation gets interrupted by a sudden knock on the window. What was that? Oops! The principal? She's the last person Megan would want to see during her confession. Are you in a relationship with a student? This is disgusting and unacceptable. What? What do you mean? What do you think you're doing? Me? But I'm not. No excuses. Pack your bags. You're fired, Mr. Tyler. Whoops! Looks like Megan went too far. She can't stop crying. Melissa, I ruined everything. It's all my fault. Megan is inconsolable. There's nothing her friend can say to help. Then someone knocks on the door. This isn't a good time for guests. I'll go see who is there. Mr. Tyler? With flowers? Are you here to see Megan? Come on in. Well, finally. I can't believe my eyes. Here's Megan. She's still sobbing. Don't bother me, Melissa. Oh, flowers for you. Megan, since I'm not your teacher anymore, don't say anything. Wow, maybe Megan is still dreaming? Did you like our fictional story? Do you think Megan went too far? Tell us what you thought in the comments. And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss all the interesting videos on Troom Wow.